Celine, this way, please. Up top, Celine. Celine, this way, please. Up top, up top, up top.
Queen Celine arrives at the Met with a fierce Vegas bevel to boot as she says goodbye to Las Vegas. Celine.
Celine, this way, please. Celine, this way. Celine, this way, please.
Queen.
Celine, Celine. Celine, this way, Celine, this way, please.
Yes, Mama. Yes. Celine, fabulous. Come on over. How are you, my love, my Canadian queen? Met Gala realness. You dropped the. You're fabulous. Describe your look.
Thank you so much. I'm very proud to be here. This is Oscar de la Renta, Fred Leeton, Noel Stewart, Chloe Gusline for the shoes, and very honored to be here.
What did you have to do with the design? Was this a collaboration? Did you?
Absolutely, from A to Z. They were more than generous. These people are so exquisite, talented, big hearts. They were amazing, and they really wanted me to feel at my best, and they gave me the opportunity to be part of everything. I have my own stylist, but Fernando and everyone at the house of Oscar de la Renta gave me the opportunity to be part of everything.
This looks like the kind of outfit that means you're going to party till 5 in the morning. With those legs?
Maybe six.
Do you know what I mean? Like, this is a shimmy dance full Celine. Like, I need you to go back down and lay Lady Gaga style. Like,
well, actually, it's the kind of look that 24/7, you know what I'm saying? You wake up in the morning, go to bed with it, it works.
Is this an homage to the end of your Vegas time with the headpiece?
Everything that I feel that at my best without sounding pretentious, it's the beginning of something. It's not an end, but it's a beginning.
I love that so much. Congratulations. You are so fierce. What does camp mean to you?
Camp is to be at your best, and it's so like luxurious and feel fierce and be feeling like there's no tomorrow. Tonight is the night.
Oh, give us a spin, Celine. We love you. We love you. Celine Dion, honey. Très bien. Beautiful, baby.